What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am getting ready to do the unboxing of the Allure beauty box for January 2021. This is the first beauty box of the year, so I'm really excited to find out what exactly is in this. So what does Allure have in store for us? But before I open up this box, I do want to say that for those of you who don't know me, I am Simply Carrie and I do beauty unboxings every month. So check out my playlist, and if you're interested, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. So let's get started with the Allure unboxing. So I am going to be using their little pamphlet to help me to figure out what the products are and how much they retail for. Now, I spent about $23 a month for my subscription. January's box is supposed to be valued at over $200 this month. So let's see exactly what we have. Okay, what is this? This card can be used to scan your nails on menime.co/allure, valid for $30. Okay, interesting. Okay, so I have this. Menime creates non-toxic, cruelty-free stick-on gels that are custom fit to your unique nail shape. By partnering with professional nail artists, we deliver fashion-forward, damage-free manis and petties that can be applied in minutes. Your hands will thank you. Promise. Okay, so I will check this out. It's worth a try. Okay, interesting. What is the first? Saturday Skin. Oh, can we see that? Saturday Skin. So let's open this up. This is a 75 milliliter, 2.53 fluid ounces. And this looks like a full size. It looks like it's a cleanser. This is what it looks like. Saturday Skin. It's a cleanser. This Saturday Skin is a refining pill gel. It just says that all you have to do is cleanse and then pat dry your face, gently apply to the face and rub in circular motion for 1 minute. Rinse clean with warm water, maybe used once or twice a day. It's priced at $28. And you can buy it at Sephora.com. Okay, this next product is called True Luscious. It's a moisturizing lipstick, and it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. The color is in Vintage Rose. I just wiped my lipstick off just to, let me try to get a little bit more of that off, just because I wanted to try it on and just see what it looks like. I think what I would do is I would probably put a lip liner with it. I do kind of like the color. It's a nice color. And so long as it doesn't dry out my lips, I'm pretty good with it. So that's another nice product to have. It's priced at $22 and you can buy it at trueluscious.com. All right, this next product is I believe it's called Acetane. This is a small sample size, and because of the dark packaging, it's kind of difficult to see the words of it. The actual full-size product is priced at $59, and it can be bought at Acetane.com. I will put that at the bottom. I'm gonna put a little on the top of my hand. I don't really smell anything. The nice thing about Allure's, the products that Allure picks, is that you really can't smell them, you know, and I really don't like fragrance when it comes to my face. No, I do smell a little something, but it's a nice, refreshing kind of odor. I feel like I've smelt it before, but I can't place exactly where or what I'm smelling. It has what looks like some little beads on the inside of it. Definitely worth trying. Okay, this little bottle is 5 milliliters or 0.16 fluid ounces. Okay, the next product is the Beauty Crop Blush Duo. Nice little package here. There are two sides to it. There's a cream blush and a powder blush. Price, $10. That's shocking. And you can buy it at the Beauty Crop, at beautycrop.com. Okay, so I'm really kind of curious to see what it would look like if I put it on. I don't feel like I can see it that well. Well, let me try the cream, just out of curiosity, what the cream look like. I don't feel like I can see it all that well, but it gives a hint of color, in my opinion. I do like it. Definitely worth it. I like it. I think it's worth it. Blue. Oh, look at this. This looks like a little sponge. Okay, this is kind of cute. Oh, look at the cute little packaging of this sponge. It's called Base Blue. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, Base Blue. I love the little pyramid. I had no idea what this was inside of this, but obviously once you take it out, I'm sure you're gonna damage it. But I do like the packaging of it. Oh, it looks like a little spaceship. Just pull it all out. Diva Doll would really love this. And by the way, those of you who are wondering where Diva Doll is, she couldn't be with me today, but she does send her love. Hugs and kisses. All right, so this is a little beauty blender. That's so cute. All right, so let's see, how much is this, and would it be packaged in a plastic like this? Because I don't feel like well, no, I guess I could keep this. Okay, so where's the beauty blender in here? All right, so this is called Base Blue Air Sponge. Really tiny, pointy at the top. Okay, it's technically a sponge, but this tiny teardrop feels like velvet. Does it really? Actually, it does. This is kind of nice. This feels nice. Yeah, it does feel good. Okay, the pointed end is perfect for placing concealer in the tiny crevices around my eyes. All right, so let's take this off. Now, well, I don't have any concealer in the front of me at the moment. Okay, so. Oh yeah, this is perfect for, yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. This is a good one. All right, then I douse the sponge's tip in water and use it to bounce banana powder over the concealer for a diffused, not cakey finish. I use the rounded end to apply liquid foundation. Dampening the sponge first makes for a light-handed application, and they all are versatile. I've even used the precision end to apply eyeshadow and highlighter on the go. Okay, so price of this is $7. That's a nice price. And where to buy it? At basebluecosmetics.com. All right, this is really cool. Okay, so yeah, this is perfect. So let's see, how many products did we actually get? We got the Saturday Skin Rub Refining Pill Gel, which is a full-size product. We got the Super Moisture Lipstick, okay, by True Luscious. That's 2 products right there. We have the Blush Duo, okay, in mauve, which I do like. Gives your cheeks a little hint of color. This sample product, which the original size would be like $59. So this is a really good serum that I think I definitely will be trying out. Okay, so that's 4 products. We got this nice little beauty sponger, this sponge, okay? And I love the shape of it, really cute. And it was packaged in this little pyramid. And we got something that I probably won't use. I'll try to use it, but I can't picture myself really using this. The Mani Me, we have the Mani Me. So welcome to the future of manicures. Step 1, scan the nail. This sounds like way too much work for me. Step 2 is the shop manis. Okay, so you pick a mani from our Allure exclusive gallery of nail arts. Okay, step 3 is to redeem the code. Okay, apply your discount code at checkout. And then step 4, peel and wear. Are you kidding? So you just peel it off and you just wear it. All right, so that's something new to me. I'm not really used to doing something like that with my nails. So I don't know whether I will actually use this one. So those are the 6 products. So did I really think that they were valued at over $200? I don't necessarily see to over $200, possibly. Maybe if you got the full size, which I did feel that I got the full size on many of them, but I did find that a lot of these things I could use. I can use the moisturizer, I can use the serum, I can use the lipstick, the blush, the sponge. Love it. Okay, so Allure, I definitely would recommend their beauty box. I am keeping them. I will be getting a beauty box again in the future, or next month actually. So guys, if you liked this unboxing and you want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.